Hello, I'm in a 2008 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you how to fold down your seats. So from the driver's side, you can just pull this lever to fold this forward, and then there's a metal bar up here you can pull up, and then that'll let you slide the seat back and forth. And to lower these back seats, we'll actually need to go in the trunk. So we're going to pull this to gain access to the trunk. And then inside here, we should see a lever here that will pull. And this releases the seat on this side. And I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but as I pull this, you can push that forward. Not sure if I can actually demonstrate this with one hand in the camera, but basically you pull this and then push that seat forward, and you'll see it will fold forward, and then that'll give you access into the main cabin. And when you're done, if you had folded these down, you can just push it back into place and it'll lock back in place, and then you need to go back in the trunk again to pull that lever to push these seats forward. And when you do all that, to make sure you don't catch your seat belt so it's stuck. So make sure this is on top of the seat while you're folding it back, so you don't trap it and have to go back and redo this process. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.